Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over some troubleshooting tips for your dishwasher if it's not cleaning properly, or if you've noticed film or residue on any of your silverware, dishes, cups, whatever. One thing that you want to try is a rinse aid. A rinse aid is really going to help you get your dishes a little bit more clean. If that doesn't work, what else you can try is running hot water in your sink for the first few minutes of your dishwasher cycle once you start it. That's going to help get the water a little bit hot, break down all that food, and kind of clean a little bit better. If those things still aren't doing it, we're going to come down in here. And what you want to check is these two things. You got your spray arm and your sump assembly. You want to make sure that these holes in your spray arm aren't clogged with food. If they're clogged with food, water's not going to be able to get through, it's not going to be able to clean your dishes. Another thing is, these sumps get really, really dirty. See how this filter's nice and clean? If you unscrew it, typically you're going to have some gunk build up around here. Just want to clean that out, rinse it underneath water in your sink, whatever. Or if you have this junk build up in here, you can also get that out, and that should also help a little bit alleviate that problem. If you've noticed that your dishwasher still isn't getting as clean as you would like or expect it to, one thing you might want to do is call a service technician and have them come out to your home and kind of diagnose the problem. That's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back next week. Thanks.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.